Find a comfortable seat. Close your eyes if it feels right. This is your time to press pause, to reconnect with your breath. No need to force anything. Just let your body breathe as it wishes. And when you're ready, we'll begin together. Now, let's find a gentle rhythm. Breathe in slowly through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it here, just for a moment. 1, 2, 3. Then release through your mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. Inhale, filling up like a quiet tide. 2, 3, 4. Pause, floating at the peak. 2, 3. Exhale, softening like a wave retreating. 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. In, let your ribs expand. 2, 3, 4. Hold, notice the stillness. 2, 3, out. Releasing all effort. 2, 3, 4, 5. From now on, breathe this way at your own pace. I'll guide your attention while you follow your breath. Now, tune into the coolness as air enters your nostrils. Notice how it dances just inside your nose, light and alive. Follow it down through the gentle tunnel of your throat, into the spaciousness of your lungs. Feel your ribs widen like wings unfolding. Then, the sweet release as your body lets go. The air rising, warming, leaving through your lips. With each exhale, imagine a heavy stone dropping into a pond. Ripples of calm spreading outward. Your breath is an anchor, steady, kind. In and out, like waves on sand. No two breaths alike, but always returning. Now, imagine your breath is the ocean. Inhale. The wave rolls in. Pause. Suspended at the shore. Exhale. The wave slides back. You're not doing the breathing. You're being breathed, trusting your body's wisdom. Count 10 waves now, silently, letting each one wash over you. Notice how you feel now. Your breath, smooth as silk. Your mind, clearer, lighter. When you're ready, I'll count from 1 to 5, gently bringing awareness back. 1, wiggling your fingers and toes. 2, stretching your spine like a sunbeam. 3, noticing sounds around you. 4, taking one more deep breath. 5, opening your eyes, refreshed. Welcome back. This peace stays with you. Return to this breath anytime.